When powered on, the automatic lawnmower begins its operation using the ESP32 microcontroller. As soon as the bot is turned, the 300 RPM DC motors, controlled via an L298N motor driver, start moving the bot forward. The BLDC motor, powered by a servo motor tester, activates to start the cutting mechanism. The ultrasonic sensor detects obstacles ahead, sending signals to the ESP32 to adjust the bot's direction and avoid collisions. The ESP32 processes the sensor data and ensures the mower keeps navigating smoothly while cutting the grass and avoiding obstacles. With this setup, the lawnmower can autonomously navigate the mow